Welcome back, everyone. Am I audible properly? Those who are joining online, okay, fine. So, yesterday we were deploying our application and we run some through an error. So, today at first we'll check the deployment only, as at least we should deploy one app to cloud. So, we were deploying to railway, and it's a cloud service which you usually get as a platform as a service. This one. And if you want a very good server, excellent server, then AWS is there. Same way, you can log in with your GitHub and you can deploy. And as my AWS is already filled, I can't even open my AWS here. Second option is railway, free right now. If you want, AWS is like costly, by the way. It's not free every time. If you want something as pay per use, means some app will charge you a monthly subscription, uh, that obviously you can't afford as of now. It's like pretty good. There is one more cloud where I used to deploy previously. This one, Heroku. Here also you can deploy, and now it is paid, by the way. I have deployed multiple here. So these are the charges. One is Eco, which is like $5 a month. So approximately 425 as of today. Then it will be from 25 to $50 per month. Here, if you are seeing the pricing in dollar, means in this you have to pay a surcharge also, because this money will go outside of India. You have to pay extra charge, by the way. Then these are there. If you have a really good application, build any good application and deploy it, work on it for at least 6 months. Maybe it can become a startup from your side. From my last spring batch, there was one student. I think I have discussed about him. So he started a car washing company. And now he's doing pretty good. So during the entire spring batch, every single day, he was like, any job, sir, any job, sir. Now he is giving job to seven peoples, right? So like that. You don't know which idea will hit, and his idea already hitting. They started in February, so it's June. We're doing pretty good. Don't have fear, by the way. That is what I want to say. If you have any good product idea, come to me. I'll invest. I will give you the development service also. But idea should be good. So you can deploy in Heroku also. AWS is there. But as of now, let's come to railway only. So we'll try to deploy the project again from GitHub. So I got my repository Logtalk Spring Boot here. The same we will try to deploy again, and we will check the logs also. What is the problem in this? It was crashing yesterday, so we are expecting that today also it will crash only. But let's see. Have you tried making your database online? Okay. So here our production has been failed. So here we got some error, that is skip test, clean dependencies. Okay. So one thing, let's open our Eclipse. And I was using one term, production failure, production failure. This is production failure, by the way. And sometimes you have to spend one complete night in this, 10 days like that. And then also you can't fix, because there is no set pattern for this, that okay, add that link, it will work. You have to log everything and check. So same we are going to do, and be ready for waste entire day for it. The very first thing that we will do is, whenever you are checking the things, so it's working fine, sorted, right click on your project, and you will see as run as. Here you will see Maven install. First try it. If it is giving error, means there is some error in your project only. So here we got the database connection without any error in the Maven install. Means in our project, at first we are getting one warning, by the way, that okay, ignore it, no problem. Second thing that you should try is run as Maven clean, because sometimes there are some of the bugs from the server side. So here now we are ending up with the success message. Means here we are not having any problem. At last again right click, run as, and here we will you will get Maven build. Click on that and just run it. And when you are deploying it on railway, you are expected to get a mail also for your deployment failure. If they are providing, we'll check. So here we got that your production build failed, and these were the problems. So we will check. So you will notice one thing, that every time we are getting this kind of warning at first, that pom.xml could not be activated. So let's close it. And here, this can be the error from your deployment server also, right? It is not fixed that only your application is having any problem. It can be a error from your server also. So what you do, you just copy paste the error and you go to their website only. So railway is giving solution for this like this, but they don't have any answer for it. So you check other resources as well, because sometime website will upload their answers for that particular question, because we are also getting the same error. Currently we are on the railway website, but they don't have any answer for it. And can't make it. So everything was running fine. And here we got the build failure, failed to execute goal. And this is the actual error. Failed to execute goal org.apache.maven.plugins Maven compiler plugin 3.1 release version 21 not supported. This is the first error that you got here. So again, it can be the server specific. Just copy paste it outside and check it. Just don't go to ChatGPT, please, because you will end up wasting all your time. Read the documentation. So here someone has already posted the same question, that once when they are trying to deploy, they are getting this kind of issue. So you can scroll down and you can check the answers. The first answer is the error occurred because the code is not the default compiler used here. Now they are saying that inside the plugin they are having some error. So we will also go to our pom.xml file here. Scroll down and we will see the plugin. So inside the plugins, you are having org Apache Maven plugin, Maven compiler plugin. So these kind of things we are having. And when we saw the error was pointing to this only. org Apache Maven plugin, Maven compiler 3.13.0 compile on project Lombok. And what is the error? Release version 21 is not supported. So where we are using those kind of things. So let's go back to our project and check where we are using the version 21. So here we are using the Java 21 version by default. Now if I am directly changing it to 70 like this, so just press Control S there. All these things are in the pom.xml only. After changing the Java version to 17, let's close this. At first, I will try to run my app and check if it is working or not. So let's restart the application from here. And now we are getting could not find this particular class like that. So that is a expected error. Whenever we are meshing with the pom.xml files structure, here Java version 17. Now, if I'm keeping it 21 and we will start our application again, this is called production failure. You might have seen a lot of reels and memes about it. Me after adding one line of code and production is blasting. This is what happens. What we changed? Just one line. That too we restored. That too we restored. And this is what happening here. This is called production broke. Now entire application wherever this Locktalk is running around the world. Let's say this is happening in YouTube and YouTube is not working now. So that is why I always focus on clean coding. This is what we are doing, right? Because here Lucky posted the message, change the version to 17. This is what will happen if you are trying to do it. Because this is you have seen in reels and memes till now, right? This is the reality. We are not changing anything else. Change the Java version, kept it same. This is what happens here. Entire application is crashing. That too without any reason. Now here it is telling could not find or load class com.api.logtalk application. Okay. Here it is trying to run something like this. And this is my class logtalk application. And it is telling that it is not able to find the class. In that case, your first duty, if your application is crashed without even writing anything in the code, you start doing the Maven clean first. So run as Maven clean. If it is showing any error, then you have to fix that error. As of now, it is not showing any error. So you can just close it. Second thing, here you will see something as target generated and target generated two folders. Delete these two folders. These two folders are coming because of we just did the build section. They will not affect your application. So you can just delete both of them. They are like empty ones, so they will not affect anything. The next is, let's try to start our application. Error. Now, if I give you this project, you will waste entire one day. You can't even start the application because even error is coming like can't find this class. So where we did the change, let's say we'll go to pom.xml. What was there in starting? It was 21 and we just did that. Control S, doesn't matter. So how to fix all these things now? The first thing, go to Maven install because Maven install is a condition which can tell you the errors in your project. So this time when we did the Maven install, somewhere in it between it shows something. And what it is showing? It is showing something like this. A Java agent has been loaded dynamically. Where? In which folder? Something like this. And what it is telling? Mockito is currently self-attaching to enable the inline mock maker. This will no longer work in future releases of the JDK. Please add Mockito as an agent to your build. What is described in Mockito's documentation. First of all, you don't even know Mockito, I think, right? And if I say Mockito is not advanced concept, it's from your core only, core Java. Here you will be seeing something like this, that dynamic loading of agent which will be disallowed by default in a future one. Why we are getting these kind of errors, by the way? The reason is we changed the Java version. Now it is behaving like 17 only. Our project is behaving like 17. Now let's try to start our application like this. And our application started successfully this time. When I did Maven install, what happened in that way? Because if you are directly changing the Java version in pom.xml file, it will not make any change, by the way, because it is the property of the project. For that, you have to do the installation part, means Maven install. Now, let's try to check it online. So we'll go to our project. We deployed it yesterday, right? We will try to encrypt one message, and encryption is going on correctly. Means now we don't have any problem in our project. So now I will go to the projects folder so that I can run the git command there. So just open the command prompt here. Check the git status. There is nothing to change here. There is nothing to change. But still we are on the 17th version of 21 version of Java. Let's try to change it to 17 again. So at first we will close the project, change it to 17, Control S. And there is no guarantee also of this. It depends on cloud to cloud. Now again we have to do Maven install, run as Maven install, so that you will get the internal problem of the project. So these problems are in the Java 17 version, that Mockito is not directly supported, but either we are not working behind that. Now again I will start my application. And after doing the Maven install for Java 17 version, our application is running, but we should check it with our front end. So again, I will try to secure one message here. And yes, we are getting the same thing. Now Java version changed successfully. In your project, don't mesh with pom.xml files properties. You can add and remove dependencies directly. If you are changing something in pom.xml, it is mandatory for you to just update your project as Maven install. Now let's check the railway because these values are going to our database. Okay, even Hibernate is showing that it is writing the query. We'll check later only. Now again, what we will do, we will go to the project folder and open the command prompt. Check the git status again. This time it is telling that you have changed the pom.xml file. Means you have changed something in pom.xml file. Now I will just add this file in the same way you have to do all the operation. Okay. Now let's go back to our GitHub. And here you can see in the pom.xml, we got the second commit. Means whatever is going on there, we got it. Go to Railway and try to deploy the project again. See, don't think that Java 21 is not supported, only Java 17 is supported. It depends on cloud, that where you are deploying, right? Just over 21, no Java is version is supported, 22, 23, 24, because we have to at least use a 21 only. That is supported by multiple ones. Even I am deploying first time on Railway. So they are supporting 17. You also change the same way, okay? And it will work. I hope this time it is not crashing. Even deploying is not in your curriculum. Okay, so you will be seeing very short text in bottom that successfully built importing to Docker. You don't know anything about Docker. Docker is like container. I'll tell it once it is completed. Then at last you are getting Docker run it production Asia, South Asia Railway Registry, something like that you are getting. And build time is 165 second without any error successfully deployed. Now what is Docker and all? So as you don't know Docker, you can skip this part because we are directly deploying to cloud. No need to create image here. So you just close this now and just refresh the railway, and you will see that this application is active now. This application is active now. Now what I will do, I'll go to my Spring Boot, close the Eclipse. That's it. Now let's go to our front end and try to make a secure message. And it is not expected to work, by the way. And you see, we are not getting anything. But in console, we are getting errors. What is the error? Connection refused. Means our front end is trying to connect with backend, but backend is having no connection. Why? Because Clips is closed. And in the front end project, we are connecting to localhost 8080. But this time localhost 8080 is not running because we have deployed it online. Means we need an online domain this time. So let's check where we are getting the domain. So go to variables and here open it, private domain. This is the domain name. This is the project name. This is the environment name. This is the service name. This is the project ID. These are all confidentials, right? And we are not supposed to tell any of these. It's like you are giving ATM and telling the exact pin also. So here it is telling you something as railway private domain, right? That is logtalk-sb dot railway dot internal. I'll copy this and we will go to Postman. And from Postman, let's open VS Code and the front end code also. So we are sending one request for encrypting our text. And this is the endpoint URL, encrypt message. So here I will type the same thing, and we are sending a post request to this link, and it should be https:// logtalk-sb.railway.internal/ and now I will type the same thing. Encrypt message is the controller get mapping post mapping name, and you have to give two values also, one value for MSG and one value for password. So I will just go to body, inside body form data. Here message I will give as hello, and password you can give anything from here like that. So 1 2 3 4 like that. Let's try to make a post request to this online domain now. So when I'm doing send, it is taking. Here we what could not send request. So let's make it HTTP. So it is telling that it is not able to send a request to it. So let's do one thing. Check it in browser now. It's not so easy actually. So let's check it in browser. That domain of railway should work by the way. So here it's not opening. Let's remove the encrypt message. Not opening. Let's go to the project. Here it is running perfectly, right? It is telling that this application is currently active. So it is running perfectly fine. Check the deployment. It will show you the status here that it is running or not. Here you will see something like this. Once you are on deployment, you will see something as unexposed service. Means there is something else that you haven't did till now. Go there. Now you are seeing generate domain. So click on this generate domain. Now it will generate one domain for you. Now this is your domain. This one. Now you are getting white label error page. This is your domain now. https://logtalk sb production.up.railway.app. Something like this. I will copy this domain now. Check it in Postman first. So kept the domain there and checking the Postman. So click on send now, and we got 200. Okay. And this is our secret message. Now from front end, you don't have to send the values to localhost. You have to send the values to this domain. So I'll just copy this, go to my front end. Wherever I am typing localhost 8080, just change it to the domain of railway. And now this is the domain where my Spring Boot app will run 24 into 7. Now no need to run it in my local host. Now as we have made the change in front end, we have to deploy these changes to GitHub. We'll check the Git status. So it is changed. As it is going to be our last commit in this project, no more commit. So we are deploying the changes. Just wait for 2 minutes. Now don't go to my domain and hit secret message, right? Because credentials will get over. So you can't test it after that. It is getting deployed. Let's try to secure one message now. So we'll just secure one message. This is one message. Message can be anything. And try to encrypt it. Once we are trying to encrypt it, we got secret message, secret password. Now these values are not supposed to go to our database. These values are going to railway database and our Eclipse is closed. Our Spring application is not running on localhost. But now please, it's a request. Don't go to my domain and just hit. Otherwise, I will remove the URL because this is for testing. So here, let's check our database. Okay, not this one. Here our service is running. This one, MySQL service. Let's check the table here, message table we are having. And inside message table, this is a message that just now we encrypted. Let's go for long drive. This is the password and this is the secret message. Let's check the decryption also. It will work in the same way now. Copy and we'll just go to our page. We'll decrypt the message, type the password. Okay. That is called fully, finally deployed full stack application. And today you are a certified full stack developer. If you are doing this, not before doing this, it is always fun to develop and deploy the things if you are doing them by yourself. And if you are getting errors, please don't use any AI tool because they have limited source. Just check the logs, do this. In one line, we got the problem. So that is how our app is completely online now. As it is free for just 30 days. So till then you can check the codes and all. I'll not give any zip file as it is having my details. You just change it by yourself. If you want to see, I will remove the credentials and then we'll give it to you. Now let's say how the production can fail again. So what I will do, I'll go to my project and I will change any code. Means I will upload, I will add one more controller. I will deploy the code to GitHub. And whenever you are making some change to GitHub, Railway will take that change and update it in their app. If it is a faulty code, crash. The code will crash. And it crashes. Don't worry. Right? It will crash. If your code is getting deployed successfully in one time, means you are having very good day. You can do whatever you want in that day. So it is not supposed to be deployed, but yes, you have to do multiple testing of your app internally. Then deployment is done. In companies, you will not be deploying the real code. At first, you will be having testing of the code. Tester will test. You have to write the unit test. Then the code review meetings will be done. Seniors will review your code. If your code can break the production or not, then also it breaks only. No one can stop it, by the way. because I have a very good experience in breaking and fixing the productions. But sometime production bug takes multiple hours. We just fixed in half an hour or like 1 hour. It will not happen in all the case. It will take time. So give your time to it, as you are going to earn from this, right? This is not your time pass skill. So invest your time here. If it is asking 10 hour, give it. After doing this, we are done with Spring Boot and microservices, and this is our final project, which is exactly working, and data is going to cloud as well. Now, are you feeling little bit of comfortable that how cloud works? Cloud is nothing. It is a physical server. It is cloud for you. Someone is already running one computer 24 by 7. There is no physical, there is no cloud, by the way. For you, it is cloud. Now, whosoever is the owner of railway, they will be doing that, right? They will be having a physical place where electricity is there 24 by 7, internet is there 24 by 7, and at least 1,000 lakhs computers are running same time without even stopping. So that is how cloud, backend, front end, and at final full stack works. So you can also deploy the project. You can have two GitHub account and two email ID. You can deploy two projects, by the way. But after a period of time, you have to pay. As of now, railway is free, by the way. Let's check their plan. So it is a $5 per month plan. Okay. Means if you are taking their hobby plan, in that what you will get? You will get a computer whose RAM is 8 GB and 8 V CPU per service. So means you will get 8 GB of RAM. So you can check. If you want more, then you have to go others. Card, I think it will only support credit card. Debit means ATM card will not be supported here. You have to write the credit cards only. Some services supports PayPal also, so you can check now. By the way, no need to do until unless you have very good application. Very good. Of course, LogTalk is a good project, but it will not earn money for you. It's like that simple. It's a very good project, but it will not earn money for you. It can't earn. Because who will go to a website to send a secret message? They will simply say, whenever you are free, call me. I will tell you something. Right? That. But concept is good. You can have some more concept which can earn money for you. Deploy it on the free sources. Check if you are getting user. See, investing $5 a month means in 6 months you will invest $30, which will be around 2,700, 600 like that. So I think it's not a bad deal investing 3,000 rupees in 6 months. If you are getting good user, even by investing 3,000 rupees, you got 10 user. You are doing good. I'm saying 10 user. That too, you should get organic user. Don't send it in your friends group. That login your here. So if I am sharing means I'll get around 300, 400 user in one day. Right? If I'm keeping a status means all the students will watch and they'll do something like that. But that is not the organic user. They will forget the next day. You should get 10 organic user in 6 months. 10 only. Right? If you are aiming for 10,000 followers, that is practically not possible. That is means like daydreaming. Got 10 user, scale your services like that you do. I am having multiple services here. Some are very secret also. Some are like that we can't show you. I'll show you one of our product, that is the product of Abhyas India. I'll show you. Wait. And I will tell you the expense of that project in 1 month. That how much money it takes from us in 1 month as cloud only. So we are having a school management system, and school management system means you can do all the things in that: online attendance, digital attendance, no paperwork. You can submit the fee like entire school, and it is a product. And so in that, we are having around 50 schools associated with us that they are taking our service. And I'll tell you the simple math. We are charging each and every school a very simple 15,000 rupees per year for the service. And we are having around, I don't know the exact number, uh, 50, I think. So this is what we are getting. Like just by our one product is giving us around 7 lakh 50,000. Now I will tell you the server cost of this last month. So last month in North India, all the schools are closed because their holidays are from 20th May to 1st July. School will reopen on 1st July. So last month there was no uses. I'll tell you for March. Wait. And let me show you the product also. This is that product of us. This one. So just don't see too much. March. So in the month of March, it was around 31,000 for 1 month. Now, let's say schools are running around all the years and there are some high uses also. So I'll just take it 31,000 only. And this is what cloud is taking from us, right? Average, I'm talking about average, right? So the product is giving around 7.5 lakh in 1 year. And this is what cloud is taking. And at least 4 or 5 employees are working their salary. So, and even after everything, this is a profitable project for me, which is giving profit from last 3 years. It is never giving loss. Never. And I am always taking this because I will tell you some of the loss making project also, like very loss making also, because it's just balanced thing. Sometimes one product is giving you too much profit, one is giving you too much loss. And this project is entirely in Java, entirely in Java. And normal JavaScript is also there. Some part of React is also there. Some part of PHP is also there in this mixed project actually. Microservice project it is. I'll tell you microservices now. There was one product, and sometimes you make mistake in developing the projects, and sometimes you don't make any mistake, then also you will fail. So we invested around 7 months. 3 developers were working on that. So just take the minimal salary. 3 developers for 7 months. How much you will pay? And I was expecting that in 1 year we will get at least 20, 30 users we will get. And when we launched that product, this was the actual number of user that we got in 1 year. I was expecting at least 20 users we will get. Means we will sell that product to 20 users. But sales team could take only one. Now what was the problem? Product was worst? I don't think so. Product was good, by the way. And sales team is obviously the best. I think the sales team of my company is like best one. If they are meeting you, they will sell Shankar to Shankar. They will ask Shankar, Shankar, you know, you want to purchase Shankar? Shankar will purchase the Shankar. They are that much good. And when I did some case study over this, because I like to explore the things, I didn't find a single mistake either from the developers, either from the sales team. And this project gave us too much loss. Like 7 month, 3 developers means 21 month salary, right? 7 month, 3 developers means 21 month salary. Take our normal guess that we are giving, and our time also, then server cost, this, that, ended up failure. And then we closed it now. It's closed. Now I will tell you some of the good things that I built just for fun, but they just boomed. I think I have shown you the ride pooling, provision, some of the best selling project of mine. Best one. I think I have discussed about it. Ride pooling and provision. Actually, provision was a mobile app for those who are physically disabled. Means they are having some sort of blindness. I am working a lot on the codes. I never had specs in my life. Never. And I don't know why I'm not getting specs. But yes, I don't have. But there was one person in my organization and he got some problem. And I was just chilling at that time and I got that idea. I built that for fun. How you will operate your mobile if you don't have your eyes? Just think, let's say you lost your hearing capability. You can still use your mobile, right? As you can see, you can visualize, you can see the lip sync of people and understand what they are speaking. If you lost your voice, then also you can operate. But if you lost your eyes, how you will operate? So the provision was the app that blind peoples can use the mobile. How? So it will give you simple commands. Let's say I am having one fingerprint on my mobile screen, inbuilt screen built fingerprint. You keep your finger anywhere on the screen. It will guide you. Place your finger little bit down, little bit left, little bit right. Immediately it's talking to you. Once you will unlock your phone, it will ask you, how may I help you today? And we were adding 2, 3 languages in that, specifically two only, English, universal language, and Hindi. And I was just developing it for fun. And 3 days it took for me to build and be built. And like I am having some of my friends from Ghana, they are doctors. I was just casually discussing with them that I have built this, and he was just surprised. Hey, what you are doing? I said, what? That this is can be the good one. So I said, how? Then he said that we are having a hospital, right? So patients will come to us and we can guide them through your app. I said, okay, then guide. And then he was the employee, like he was a doctor employee in someone's else hospital. So he talked with his MD and MD got interested, but he was not getting ready to take it as a service. Means I was saying that I will host it from India, you just use it as a service. He was not getting ready. That he said, okay, we will have our own developers, but we need the full. Then I said, okay. Means they were taking the complete ownership. I just thought 3 days, let's sell the 3 days of our life And you won't believe I paid the salary of around 1 year and 2 months to all the employees with that amount. So sometimes some products are like that. What amount I have to what amount I have sold my project, that provision, I have paid salary of around 1 year and 2 months for all the employees. So it is something like that. Sometimes you are just developing something for fun. You know about Zomato? What is the valuation of Zomato? 16,000 crore. And it was a college project, final year project it was. What they did, they seems it okay, it can be interesting. At first, they deliver order to their relative's house and it got viral. Rest is the history. So whenever you are doing something, you don't know which product will work. Whenever I am saying that, okay, I am running 7 products or 7 startup, I also say I have failed 20 times. I have failed 20 products. So must have a continuous income from somewhere. For me, this is the training one. If tomorrow I am making multiple loss, at least I have a job to do. So that is the reason. Otherwise, take risk once you are comfortable with your job or something. Take as much as you can. You will get the human life only one time. This is all I am telling you so that at least you can work on one idea. Now you know everything. You know front end, you know back end, you know database, you know hosting as well. You know deployment and what you will spend around 5,000 in 6 months that you can spend in one day shopping, right? So take that amount here. It can change your life. And I was giving the same thing in the last batch. That student came and said, I want to like develop that car washing. So he told me that now everything we are getting in 10 minutes. Food in 10 minutes, groceries in 10 minutes, fruits, vegetables in 10 minutes. Even if you take a toothbrush, it will come in 10 minutes. Zepto and Blinkits are there. I said, yes. He said, I have around 20 offline peoples who are ready to work on daily wages. I said, okay. They will take 300 rupees. I said, okay. Then we can open a car washing company that you go to our app, just register yourself, enter your address. Our people will come to you, wash your car and leave. I said, okay. They did. In the second month only, they were making 25,000 profit. Means after giving salary, expense, domain, server, this, that, 25. I will not tell you the exact amount now, but yes, they are earning good. They are earning good now. And team of 7 peoples they are, and they're doing good. Just I will not tell you the amount. It's not for flexing and show off. But yes, because he's my student and he's always in touch. As I was the founding developer in that. So till last month I took my share, whatever I was investing in their app. And after that I said, now it's all up to you and I'm going. After that, I'm not taking anything from that. I just took whatever I invested. And from the month of June, like till May, I took. After that, I said, now you enjoy your life. And now they are serving some of the posh location in Hyderabad only. I think they are now serving that something like Kompalli and like that. I don't know the actual location that they are serving, but they are doing pretty good. Because as a engineer or as any working person, you don't have time for yourself. That is a hard no truth. Even whenever you are waking up, you will be running out of the time. Okay, do you have to do this? So you can take profit out of it. I'll tell you some of the product ideas that you can build. See, if your target audience are females, and this is a hard and fast truth, whenever I'm taking meeting for any product idea, I will take this, I will tell the same thing to everyone. Means if you think that you will sell your product to females, first product should be related to show off. Your your product will be too good. And it's a fact. It's a fact. First should be show off. Second is it should be related to beauty item or like something like that. Third, it should be related to emotional aspect. I was reading one particular case study. Now it was banned by government of India. There was one app especially for females only, that only females will use that. And what was the idea of that app? That you pay a subscription fees, very small, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. And for one day, you can cry by saying anything. And that app will give reply to you in voice. Now, those who recently had some fight or something like that, they're going to app. Now it is banned, by the way. And they were in profit. So if your target audience is female, these are the three things that you can sell. If your target audience is male, then any idea what you can sell to a male person? One thing that I can't write here, you can sell it properly. Something egoistic thing, right? Something that is pretending to be egoist. Something related to something like that. Multiples are there. Now, if your target audience are like, you will target the parents who are already settled, they have kids and all, sell them something related to education. That's it. Now, if these are your target things, if your target audience are teenagers, like teenagers means those who are between 15 to 20 years of their age, they are very much prone to the exposure, very much prone. You give them something new, they will love it. You give, every generation is having some of the different thing. When we were using Facebook, our parents came on Facebook, we came on Instagram, we left Facebook. This is the reality. I deleted my Facebook the day my father came on Facebook. I never installed it back. And now if they are coming to Instagram, we are shifting to Snap. What is the reason behind it? Because when the generations are changing, their exposure is changing. Business is not a luck factor. It is, but sometimes you have to think also that okay, this can work. And if you think that it will require a lot of efforts, lot of code, now you know how much code we write and how much time it will take. Now tell me how much time it will take to build Locktalk project from zero to full. Controller, two controller, one Spring Boot app, five, like 15 minutes in deployment, 2 hour backend done, hard, 2, 3 hour front end done. One day, you take 10 days, build something, at least take one risk. You don't know what is going to work. Find all the ways that can work out. Find all the possible ways that can work out. I don't want you to be a servant, first of all, right? Because there is something that you can be feeling proud in your freedom. Whenever I'm taking batch here, time is up to me. That I will take batch at this time. Freedom. If I am not feeling comfortable, no. Freedom. If I want tomorrow, okay, no problem. So this freedom will not come by saying in words. It will come by putting efforts on ground level. Find you are using AI tools too much. Ask your AI, give me 10 startup ideas that can work in India and in Hyderabad. Right? For next 10 days, work on that idea. Make it online, publish it everywhere, make its ads. Now you know how to develop front end. Open a front end development company. This is what I did. This is what I'm telling you that I followed. When I learned how to develop website, what first thing I did is okay, now I will develop website. And we are doing, when I learned backend, I will do backend. That's what it works. Now, if you think that I should give you 10 employees, then you will work. No, I started alone. There was no one with me. Everything. I was the HR of the company. I was the salesman of the company. I was the developer of the company. I was everyone. Then at last, now it's a complete team. So that's how thing works. Find the idea for you if you want freedom. And when you are doing business and you invested 6 months and your business got profitable, it will give you salary of 5 year in just 1 month. Trust me, personal experience. It will give you the salary of 5 month, 5 years that you will earn in 5 years. 1 month is enough, right? 1 month is enough. You take anything here. Peoples are becoming lazy nowadays. Like even if your grocery store is in front of your house, you will do Zepto. The Zepto person will come pick it from the ground floor and give it to you. Find something loophole in people's life. Sell them dreams. Not fake dreams, by the way. Your product should be good. It should not break the rules of humanity first. Find any way and just write it the good way and check. Invest your time. As the age that you are having right now is the prime age. After a time, your body will gradually become slow. Nowadays, 30 is the becoming age where you will not have enough energy. And I'm seeing this in many people's. Many. Right? At 2022, you are having back pain and body pain. See what you will have at 30. So this is the prime time that you can invest in something. Invest it in your career. Why are you running behind jobs only? That will hardly pay you 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Right? Why are you running behind that? Start something of your own. And the person who started that car washing company, he is the person, if you ask him, write a ternary operator or write if else, he will write it wrong. He will write it literally wrong. But what he did is, he said, sir, I'll invest and I'll write the back end. I'll manage the front end. He said, I will manage the front end. I know he don't know React also. How he will manage the front end? So when we launched the product, I asked him that who did the front end. He said, "Sir, I paid someone 20,000 to do it." I said, okay, that person is doing, and you all are far better than him. Now also, I can say this thing in front of him. Daily I'm saying, whenever he's talking with me, I'll say, you don't even know how. Like if I am asking a normal Java code, he will write it wrong. Definitely. But what he did is took a risk and did the things. So you are far better than. Successful peoples are never the brightest brain. No, they are just the hardest brain, which they do not want to get settled for less. Right? Give yourself a time, build a product. If you failed, what will happen? At last, let's say you failed. What will happen? Shankar, this question is for you. Let's say you build a product and you failed. What will happen after that? Nothing. But you will live with a proud face. I developed something. So there is a proverb in Hindi that I can't tell you like this because you don't understand Hindi properly. So there is a proverb like, in some part of country and the world, there is a tradition of uh, like cutting animals' head for prayers and all. And whenever they are cutting the animal's head, that animal is like easily catchable, easily manageable. Why don't you have, why anyone is not saying to cut a head of a loin? right? Sometimes people will say that, okay, that particular god is demanding the death of a goat. Why only goat? You should offer the head of a loin, then you will become the loin there. So you are, if you are becoming a goat, be ready to be sacrificed. Be the loin, at least you will learn something. And this is a mandatory lecture that I gave in all of my batches, because jobs are not that much available. Market is really slow, really slow. You know, one of my student got job yesterday from like React batch. He called me and said, it's a 2-year bond by submitting all the original document. I said, very good. What is the problem? He said, for first 6 months, 6,000 is the salary. I said, okay. After 6 months, 15,000. And I can say he was a good student who is really building the good front end. Very good. Jobs are very less. Become your own master. And it's not impossible thing. You can make it possible. Become some good, build a unicorn, build a 8,000 crore company and hire me there. I will work for you. Hire me as a junior engineer. Because I love working. I can do work anywhere. Like I don't have any issue. So check the reality. I'm not saying that jobs are not available. Multiple jobs are available. They are hiring people with the experience of a CEO in the salary of an intern. How you will comply with that? Build something of your own and just enjoy your life after that. So deploy your application now. Let me give you the schedule for next classes. Tomorrow is Saturday. So we will discuss about JWT. Then we will discuss about authentication using Facebook and Google. Most probably using Google only, because neither I have Facebook account and I'll tell it by using Google. So some in some website you will get continue with Google. How that works? Continue with Google. So we will discuss about JWT and authentication using Google. Then after microservices will start. Spring Boot will be completed after these two topics. We will start microservices. Some of the Spring Boot topics we will discuss in microservices because they are related to. Then after there are some miscellaneous topic like Docker is there, Kubernetes is there, and Docker is there, Kubernetes is there, Eureka is there, Historic Circuit Breaker is there, Log4j is there. And if we got the time, I'll tell you the ending date of the course now. Just give me a minute. Sorry. Ah, already written. You are just crazy, Srikar, you know. So tomorrow is Saturday, means 21st, 5th of July, Saturday. That is, I am telling the maximum time. Hardly we will not take that much time. Don't say that if I am closing before that, or you said 5th July. No, we can close before that also. And that's it. And if we are having time, I will teach all the random topics that you are taking here. All of them. Let's say you are already doing job and your manager or your team leader is asking you to build something and that we haven't discussed here. I'll teach that. I'll give at least 2 3 day times for it. You can check it. Okay. Fine, guys. Let's connect again tomorrow. Have a nice time, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.